Hi there folks, welcome back to our channel. We are doing here some Viskon 16 tutorials, and today we would like to show you how to make a free notch or groove in your 3D wooden elements. For this purpose you will have to use the notch/groove command. When you click on it, you will have to select your piece you want to modify. Click on the side on the surface you want to make a notch on. Click again somewhere else, and you see this window. Here you have some options which you can use to optimize or to customize your groove, your notch. First things first, you have to set the transverse distance. I want to put it on the middle of my element, which is a 15 centimeter wide beam. So the middle of it will be 7.5 centimeters. And now the cross section of the groove, let's set it. The width should be, I don't know, 5 centimeters, and the depth maybe 2.5. That's right. As you can see under the selection tab, you can select which side should this notch be made. And of course you can, if you have a single notch, you can select the orientation. Let's click OK. We have this shape right now, but if you want, you can customize it further by checking this box as another. By this, the program means that the next notch you will make will be another on top of the previous one. So again, transverse distance 7.5 so that it comes to the center, and the width should be, I don't know, 2.5, depth 3 maybe, or a little more, I guess 5, something like this. And again, I can select if I want to put it on all sides, or maybe just two sides, up and down, top or bottom, or right and left, as you wish. I'm gonna make it on all sides, so we have a rather funky looking piece here. And that's it. That's basically how you can make free notches or grooves in your elements, and this was our tip for today.